she drop half when that bill come. How you get a shake like that? Looking like a late night snack. I just wanna taste it. Let's not overthink this, I know you want it. Got it dripping like water, yeah. So she tryna get lawless, yeah. You see we being honest, yeah. So what we still doing talking, girl, it's alright, yeah, yeah. You can be shy, but I know just what you like. Can't wait